Nick, I need to confess, you are not my dream girl. There's no way I could have ever dreamed you up. And trust me, it's not for lack of imagination. You are so far beyond anything I could have ever conjured. So beyond my greatest hopes and wishes for what I might find in a partner. You are kind, loving, passionate, and persevering. And like Byron would say, you have other traits.
Jessie, my love, 4 years. 4 years of you, the man, my man, who has forever changed my heart and the way that I love people and myself. You fight for me in a way that no one has ever fought for me. You fight for me to see myself as you see me, to love myself with the love that you have for me. You take care of me every day, protecting my heart in such a way that I know I can let go. And I've let go. I've let you into my bubble. I've let you into my heart. And you've changed everything. You've changed my life.
Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love.
When he looked into her dark eyes and saw that her lips were poised between a laugh and silence, he learned the most important part of the language that all the world spoke, the language that everyone on earth was capable of understanding in their heart. It was love.
Darling, you look